Hello viewers, let's see how we can hide or unhide any app inside our mobile. Now note Park Wheel and Instagram inside my mobile. Let me hide it. Go to settings and in setting clicks in search and type home screen. It appears, so click it and you will just see hide apps on home and apps screens. Or let's leave it, simply open your mobile, once again click settings, scroll down and click home screen. And now scroll down once again and you will see hide apps on home and apps screens. Click it and now you can select any app. Let me click Instagram and Park Wheel and it appear above. In the red circle, click done. And now you will not see the same inside my mobile or it will remain hidden. It's in front of you, both apps are hidden. Go to main screen and now let me unhide it. So click these three dots to quickly reach settings or home screen and hide app on home and screens appears. Now simply click the minus sign on Instagram and Park Wheel and once again click done. And now you can see both apps are visible or unhide inside my mobile. So through this way you can hide and unhide any app if you would like. Thanks for watching.